Talk about laying a bed of thorns for yourself, and now you want people to feel pity, and you everybody for your sickness, for your condition and all that. That is why these wives are not feeling pity for Musa. That is why Makwabe and Mayeni, they don't give a hoot about what's going on in Musa's life, because Musa, to be honest enough, is a narcissist. Musa is a narcissist. Musa is sick today, and he knew. I did not know that Musa has got a pre-existing condition of diabetes. On top of everything, they say he doesn't even want to follow the diet. He doesn't want to follow the diet that the doctor has prescribed for him. He eats whatever that he wants to eat because he is stubborn. You understand? Sometimes we will sit down and say to ourselves, why are these women not feeling for Musa? They know Musa very well. Remember, we only see Musa on the screen. They sleep and wake up with Musa. They know Musa very well. You understand? They know Musa very well. And Musa is the cause of everything that is happening today in his life. How do you go and get a young woman like that, young woman to be your daughter, to come and make that woman a wife, knowing very well you even have diabetes? We know the what diabetes can cause in somebody else's body, more especially a man. But he goes and gets somebody who is so active, somebody who's just starting life, to come and make a wife. Even some women, they like things. Even some kids like things. I don't want to lie. You want to tell me that there are no men who can go out with that girl? She goes and chooses Musa out of everybody. Yo, guys. So that's the condition now. Musa doesn't want to follow the diet. Apparently, he is partly blind on one eye. Yo, guys, it's very hectic there in Mzumbe. It's so hectic. It's so hectic, and Mayeni doesn't even want to budge. Mayeni doesn't even want to budge. Mayeni is like, you know what? Musa knows very well what made him sick. He knows very well. The excitement that he had when he met that girl is the one that made him land in the hospital bed. You understand? And then Musa now is sitting there telling Magwabe that, Magwabe, you are the cause of me landing in hospital because you were threatening me that you want to go home. Imagine. Is that not narcissism? Musa create problems and blame people at the end of the day. Actually, according to him, everybody should listen to what he says. Whatever that he's doing and whatever that he says, people should listen, and people should just, follow suit. And one thing, unfortunately, these two wives, Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't take nonsense. Those two, they don't take nonsense. You can't play those games with them. All along, I thought Makumalo is a yes woman. Makumalo now came to a point whereby she's like, you know what? I'm tired. I never thought that Makumalo was gonna react like this with the fifth woman, number 5. I never thought. I thought she's gonna be all smiles, whatever. But this time around, she's like, you know what? Don't even include me in those things of yours. I think that's the reason why Musa now is so frustrated, because he can see that he doesn't have support. Even though Makele is supporting Musa, but he can see that, you know what, with this other woman, I don't stand a chance. But to be honest enough, if anything happens to Musa, Musa will be to blame. Musa is to blame. Musa doesn't listen. You already have 4 wives. They are not getting along. You can't control them. Still, you go and get another one. They told you, all of them, they told you that, you know what, we don't think it's a good advice for you to go and get the fifth wife. Because you are stubborn, because you think when you are a man, you go and get the 5th wife. Whilst you are diabetic on top of that. Yo, guys, Musa, I'm not feeling for him. I don't want to lie. I'm not feeling for him, because I think even if I also was in the shoes of those women, I was gonna feel the same way as they are feeling. Now I understand why they are like that. I understand why Mayeni is like that. I understand why Makwabi is like that. I really, really understand. Musa, it's a big problem. Yo. Okay, guys, thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's meet on the other video. Bye.